music. Give me the 5 letters in order. What are the vowels? Go! What are the 5 letters? Vowels. Okay, that's it. Okay, ma'am, paki-hold yung mga letters. Sir, holding letters. Nahulog pa yung isa. It's A-E-I-O-U. Mga girls, tama din, ma'am. Of course, kasi madali lang naman yan. Practice lang. Practice lang, sir. Practice lang. Let's see lang naman kung kaya nyo na. Okay. Anyway, you're holding it like this, ha? Tama naman ginawa ng boys. Anyway, guys, wala nang practice. It's time for the real question. Pero this time, it's about English ulit. Okay, ready? Guys, ready na to mga mom and dad, ha? Ready na to? Here we go. The question is, English tayo ulit. What is the acronym of Epifanio de los Santos Avenue? Go! Okay, so guys, Sophia or Ezra?
Sophia!
Okay, again. Hey guys, sabihin nyo kung Sophia or Ezra. Ready? Sophia, Ezra!
Sophia!
And Sophia! 1-0! Practice na ulit. Okay, 1-0 na, 1-0. 1-0! Okay, ready na. Girls, anyway, 1-0 kaya pa, ma'am. Here we go. Second question. It's time for our science question. Girls, do you know anything about science? Yes, that's good. Alright, so here we go. Tell me, what is the name of the planet? Yung planet na may ring around the planet. Go! Hi guys, welcome to Porty. Let's go. Okay, what's the planet? Ring around it. And, hello. Okay, man, looks up what in my phone. And. Okay, tapos na girls? Hindi pa tapos? Tapos na. Okay, finish na sila. Sorry, tapos na sila. So I'll check their letters. Tamang spelling, S-A-T-U-R-N, 6-letter word. Yeah, so I guess the score is 1-all. Okay, so anyway, kaya pa. It's up to you guys kung paano yung gagawin. Anyway, third question. Guys, pagkatapos ng science, related to. It's time for the chemistry question. H2O. Ang bilis na, sir. Say, guys, tell me, what is the English translation? H2O. Go. Ayan, sir, sinabi ko na, ha? Let's go. Dali, what is the English translation? H2O. Okay, ayan. Okay, anyway, so mga mommies and daddies, ayan, nawala tuloy kayo. Alright, sir, they're gonna decide. Everybody, Sophia, Ezra! It's Ezra, 2-1! Girls, 2! Guys, 1. Kaya pa, sir, kaya pa. Here we go, next question. This time, so mga sir, ma'am, ready na kayo sa cartoons? Cartoons na tayo, ma'am, cartoons na tayo. Nasira yung palayok. Palayok tuloy. Okay, here. The question is about cartoons na. Okay, kids, if you know the answer, kids, don't tell it to your parents, ha? Don't tell it to them, ha? Just keep it to yourselves muna, ha? Here we go. Ready? The question is, in the movie The Little Mermaid, Part 2, may Part 2, sir. Hala, lagot kayo. Ma'am, Part 2, ha? Here we go. The question is, what is the name of Ariel's daughter? Go!
Now, here we go. It's a brand new version of
Hala. I-google nyo na. Dali, i-google nyo na. The name is? Emily daw, Emily. Lagot ka pag mali, Okay, so mga tita, ano sagot nila? Emily? Sino naman si Emily? Sino naman sir si Emily? Anyway guys, the answer is Melody! 3-1! Oo nga sir eh. Karay, Melody, Emily. Oo nga na sir. Anyway, the score is 3-1. Sir, lamang na sila. Kaya pa yan? Kaya pa, sir. Here we go. Now, guys, here's the next question. It's time for the country. Kids, give me one country lang. You know. Czechoslovakia. Okay, that's a very long country. Alright, here's the question. Tell me, what is the capital city of Egypt? Go. Okay. Tama ang sagot ng boys. Cairo, ma'am. Kayo din, Cairo. But guys, so tell me, Sophia Ezra!
Sophia!
It's Sophia, 3-2! You see? Very easy, diba? Okay, sige. Now guys, after country, related naman to sa country din kasi it's time for their currency naman. Mga pera. Okay, ma'am? Pera ng mga bawat bansa ngayon. Kids, give me, anong pera ginagamit sa Pilipinas? Anong ginagamit sa USA? Anong ginagamit sa Thailand? Anong ginagamit sa Japan? Anong ginagamit sa Mexico, Pampanga? Parehas lang yan. So guys, tell me, what currency they use in Beijing, China? 4 letters. 4 letters. 4 letters lang yun. 4 letters lang yan. Hala. Okay, guys. Sabay sila or hindi, it's up to you. Sophia Ezra. One more, Sophia Ezra. Medyo malakas yung Ezra. One more, Sophia Ezra. Ikaw pala yun. Kaya pala malakas sa tabi ko, ikaw pala. Huwag kayo sumagot sila. Anyway guys, Sophia Ezra. Ha? Anong Edsa? Sophia Ezra. Okay, wait lang ha. Sige, I'm gonna ask si Ma'am Cindy. Ma'am Cindy, anong narinig nyo? Sophia Ezra. Ma'am Cindy. Sophia Ezra.
Ezra.
It's Ezra! 4-2! Si Sir Carlo naman tanungin natin mamaya sila. Para pantay tayo. Okay, anyway, ma'am, last point. Ha? Last point. Sir, 3 points pa. Here we go. Now, the next question is, ito, it's time for the Tagalog. Wow, may chandelier pala tayo dito. Here we go. The next question is, it's about Tagalog. Ito, mama, sorry, Tagalog na tayo. Madali na to. Guys, tell me, ano yung isa pang tawag sa lugar na sasabihin ko? I'm gonna give you a place. Ano pa yung isang tawag doon? Ready? Ang lugar na ito ay Rizal Park. Go! Ready? Pinakamadali na yan. Makikita yan sa Ross Boulevard. Ayan. Okay, see? Okay, sir? Okay, L-U-N-E-T-A. Tama rin? L-U-N-E-T-A. Same letters, same answers. Guys, last na to. 4-1, 4-2. Pag tama yung girls, 5-2. Pag tama yung boys, 4-3. Ready? Sophia Ezra!
Sophia!
One more, Sophia Ezra!
Sophia! Dad!
Parang gusto yung manalo sila.
B!
Hindi! Already! Sophia or Ezra!
Sophia!
Ala, hindi na makadecide. Ready? Sophia Ezra?
Sophia!
Okay, you know what? Hindi talaga marinig. Sir?
Dad, Sophia.
Sophia Ezra. Sophia! 4-3! I'm sorry, decision ni Dad yun. Sir, good, ma'am, good din. Sagot, sir. Here we go. Sir, 4-3, ha? 4-3. Here we go. Here's the next question. Check natin if you know this one. It's time for the history question. In the question, history, about history, ang question natin is, what is the name of the king? Hari, king. King Blanc. Tell me what's the answer for the Blanc. Everything he touches turns to gold. Go! Sino yun? 4-3! 4-3, 4-3. Everything he touches turns to gold. Wala pa. Kulang pa. And... Hala. Happy New Year, guys. Okay, guys. Sige, I'll give you a chance. Say happy birthday, Sophia. Late kayo. Sir, tama ba yung sagot nyo? M-I-D-A-N-O-Y-A. How many letters? Mida. Midaw. Anyway, ma'am kayo. M-I-D-A-S. It's King Midas. The score is 5-3. Okay, a big hand for the girls team and also big hands for the guys team. Sir, thank you. Not bad. Very bad. Talo kayo. Alright, ma'am, you know what? The prize is over there. Get one for your kids or nephews or nieces. Kuha po kayo. Anyway, guys, it's time for our early dinner kasi it's already, what time na? Wala pala akong relo. What time na? It's 4:30 na. So anyway, guys, buffet table is over there. Mom and Dad, kindly help your kids na lang. Hey guys, later on, we're gonna have our magic show. I guess we're gonna do the magic here na lang so everybody can see me. So anyway, guys, enjoy your meal. I'll see you in 20 minutes.